The long-term performance of micropiles has been proven after over 25 years of use in Europe and North America. Micropiling is becoming a much more common groundwork solution when foundation depths exceed 8 to 10 feet. Traditionally, deep strip foundations require excessive excavation, there is a strong risk of trench collapse, and excessive use of materials. With much less excavation or concrete required and less harm to the environment, micropiling is the best solution. Cloud9 Services is able to offer you complete service from site clearing, foundation design by a structural engineer, and permitting. Then, we provide the management, skilled craftsmen, and equipment required for a quality finished project. Call Cloud9 Services today.